In this video, we will discuss insert operation. In the previous video, we saw how to connect Python with MySQL. First of all, we will create a database named school and we will create student1 table. After creating the database, we have to use it by writing use school. To create a table, the syntax is create table, table name, field name with the data type, and we have to separate the field name with comma. Then we have to put semicolon sign. Then we are describing the student table. The student table have 4 fields: roll number, S name, sex and DOB. Roll number is of integer type, student name is of character type, and sex is also character, and DOB is of date type. The roll number is the primary key which cannot contain duplicate values. As shown in the previous video, we have to connect MySQL with Python by using MySQL connector. One thing we must remember that after insert operation, we must commit our query after executing insert queries. First, we have to import mysql.connector as any variable name. Then we are creating MySQL connection object which controls the connection to the database. Host is localhost, user is root and password that you have given at the time of installation. In our case, database is school. We are creating a cursor object. Writing cursor is equal to mycon.cursor. Here we are using dot format method, which is the new style of creating SQL query strings. I have to write cursor.execute and myconnection.commit. Now we can see the result in SQL by writing select star from student1. You can see one row is inserted to student1. The syntax to insert data in table is insert into table name, in bracket field names, then values, and we should write integer without single quote and string value with quote. Dot format, and we can give the values now. We have to change the values because we cannot have duplicate roll numbers. Now we'll run the program and you can see the result in MySQL as connection is established. Now we can go to SQL and see whether the data is inserted to it or not by writing select star from student1 and semicolon. Now we'll see how to insert data by using old style string templates with percentage formatting. Here in this case, instead of curly braces, we have to write percentage s, same as before. For integers, we do not have to write quote, but for string, we have to write quote. Instead of dot format, here you have to write percentage, then we have to give the values, but we should remember that duplicate values for roll number is not allowed. A database cursor is a special control structure that facilitates the row by row processing of records in a result set. The result set is the set of records retrieved as per query. Do not forget to enclose placeholder %s in quotes for string parameters in string template, and for integer we do not need single quotes. Cursor.execute executes an SQL statement. We need to run commit function with connection object for queries that change the data of the database table so that changes are reflected in the database. Now connection to the database is established and insert query is successful, and we can see the result of insert query by writing select star from student1. Again we will try to insert a record in the database by using old style. Here we have changed the name and roll number. Now we can see the result in the SQL by writing select star from student1. As you can see, now 4 data are inserted. We will see update query and select query in upcoming videos. Hope the video is useful to you. Thanks for watching.